Hey guys, my name is Akil and welcome to BTech Career Guide. So you know that for the past 1 week I didn't post any video on our YouTube channel. So this is because I was too busy in my day-to-day life and I came to hope for the election. So basically, let's make it simple. Like previously, I used to go to each and every job profile and I used to explain them what's the role and what kind of things that you will be doing once you get placed, right? So from today onwards, let's make it simple for a few days, like uh, till I reach the workplace. So what I will be doing is like I will be explaining you the company and the salary and the role, and that's it. I'll be the link will be available to you. You can click and you can apply. So that's a simple thing we'll be doing. So that will be covering all the jobs that are required that are posted in our groups for today. So as simple as that. Okay, so let us see the first job. Here we go. So this is how. So our Telegram channel name is BTech. You can directly search in the search box. Search. It is public. You can join there also. You will be finding all the jobs posted today. So here you see I have posted today. So the company name is CloudSEK. So they have released SC Backend Intern for 2024 and 2025 batch, and here is the link. So this is how we're gonna deal from now on. Like I will be explaining just the shortest summary of the company and the details, so that I will be pasting. Once I paste the link, you can directly apply from that. Okay. The second company is ATP, which is they are provided Java developer, and the company sorry is a link typo. So here is the link. You can apply. And the second one is Zysk Tech Solutions, and this is for the junior website developer. Here is the link, you can apply for that. And the next one is Attentive.ai. They have released for front-end engineer intern. This ETC will be around 4 to 7 LPA. Here is the link, you can click on apply later. So the next one is Accelya. They have released SC1 intern on role for the salary of 6 to 12 lakhs per annum, and it's a good package. You can apply. It's a work there, like you need to have an account before you apply for that job. So the next one you see is from the HCLTech. They have released software engineer through walk-in drive. So this is a walk-in drive either in Noida or Chennai. Once you fill this form, they will be informing you the location where to come in. So the salary package will be around 4.5 to 6 LPA. Okay. So the next one you can see here is from Myntra for role software engineer. The salary would be around 15 to 25 lakhs per annum. So here is the link. You can click and check the details. So the next one is the Genesis. They have released software engineer for 2000 for all the batches, I guess. Salary would be around 5 to 7 LPA. Link. And the next one is from the front door. They have released software engineer position. The salary package would be around 10 to 20 lakhs per annum. Okay. The next one would be around Unistack. They have released SD internship. The stipend would be 30K per month, and it's an internship kind of thing. You can check all the details once you open this Google form. Okay. So the next one is from the Grow. They have released SGET role for the salary of 12 to 20 lakhs per annum. You can apply for that. So in case if you want referral from Grow, I can give you. So one of my friends is also working from there. Okay. So the next one you see is from MedPace. They have released entry level software QA test engineer. The location is Navy Mumbai. The salary is around 8 to 9 LPA. Okay. The next one is Motorola Solutions. The role is Taney. Location Bangalore. 60,000 per month. Okay. The last one for today is from the Light and Wonder. They have released associate software engineer. The location is Bangalore. The qualification is BE, BTech or any of the branch in those departments. And then you have the batch from 2022 2023. The salary would be around 7.3 lakhs per annum. So these are the job for today. Like I have around we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 14 jobs for today. Just do feel free to apply as soon as possible, and you can find all the links in our Telegram channel, and also I will be posting all the links in the description box too. Don't worry. Just go there, click on the link, and check the job description and apply for that. So once I reach my workplace, I will be explaining the in details about the job and profile. Okay. So don't worry. Just for a couple of days, I will be explaining in this way, so that time will be my time will be saved. Okay. So, and one more thing, like you see, one of our candidates have been selected for TSQS for test engineer, and this is one kind of motivation that we'll be getting by helping you guys. Like we post jobs to help you to get uh, jobs. So, and also one more thing, like we'll be providing you the services, like we'll be helping you in our coding round also. Just do pingers on our Instagram handle, like you can contact me or you can directly ping me from the Telegram also. No worries. Don't forget to subscribe our channel BTech. So that's the one thing which I wanna say. Okay, that's in this video guys. All the best. Bye bye.